Hi, welcome to my channel Shrajan. Today we will talk about nervous system. The basic unit of the nervous system, neuron. Dendrites are branch-like structures extending away from the cell body, and their job is to receive messages from other neurons and allow those messages to travel to the cell body. Cytosol is the cell body of neuron containing nucleus and other organelles. It is mainly concerned with growth and maintenance of cell. An axon, at its most basic, is a tube-like structure that carries an electrical impulse from the cell body to the structures at opposite end of the neuron as axon terminals, which can then pass the impulse to another neuron. Some axons are covered with myelin, a fatty material that wraps around the axon to form the myelin sheath. An axon terminal is the very end of a branch of a nerve's axon, a long slender nerve fiber that conducts electrical signals to a nerve synapse. Special types of cells which conduct impulses from one place to another in the body are called neurons. Nerve cell is longest cell in the human body, have the ability to generate and conduct electrochemical impulses. The cells that support the nerve cells and help in their functioning are called neuroglial neurons, and neuroglial cells together form nerves. Construction and function of neuron. All the information about our surrounding is collected by the ends or dendrites of the neuron. The chemical process begins at those ends and electric impulses are generated which are conducted from the dendrites to the cell body. From the cell body to axon, and from axon pass myelin sheath and reaches the end known as axon terminal. Now, the impulses that reaches the axon stimulates the nerve cell to secrete certain chemicals. These chemicals pass through a minute space called synapse between two adjacent neurons and generate the impulses in the dendrites of next neuron. In this way, impulses are conducted in the body, and these impulses are finally conveyed by nerve cells to muscle cell or gland. There are three types of neurons. First, sensory neurons. Its function is to conduct impulses from sensory organ to brain and spinal cord. Second one is motor neurons. Its function is to conduct impulses from brain to muscles or gland. Third type is association neurons. Its function is to perform the function of integration in nervous system. Now we will see how an action take place. Sensory organs sense from surrounding and give signal to sensory neurons. Sensory neurons give signal to spinal cord. Spinal cord pass this signal to brain. Brain interpret the response and give signal to spinal cord. Spinal cord then send impulses to motor neurons. And finally this interpreted response reaches muscle or gland. The muscle or gland take action. Thanks for watching video. Also like our channel.